Greetings, Master Welders. This is a BestArc plasma cutter, 7th generation, designed by BestArc Company. All settings are on the LCD screen and simplified so that they can be used by every beginner as well as a professional. Watch the video and see for yourself how easy it is to use the BestArc plasma cutter. All information on how to buy and where to buy can be found in the video description. The handle of the cutter is flexible and adaptable to any hand. Has a protection on the trigger. Can be used for tearing of welded joints. It is also effective on rusted sheets. Practical for making some kind of decorative figurines. All information on how to buy and where to buy can be found in the video description. The BestArc plasma cutter performed exceptionally well, even on precise works. For the end, I prepared a clean and straight cut. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Leave a like and a comment. And be sure to subscribe.